Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unboxing Samsung Galaxy A03s. And guys, and this is a budget phone from Samsung which is costing around 22,800 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range we have 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of internal storage, and this phone also available in the 3GB of RAM and a 32GB of variant as well. Also the color I have is the blue color. Again we have 64GB of internal storage, and this phone also made in China but very soon to be made in Pakistan as well. Here is the box of the A03s. So first let me remove the plastic like this. Here is the box of the A03s. Also we have 1 year warranty card as well. On the bottom as well as on the top we have more seals. Now let's remove this seal, one more seal, and lastly one more seal as well. And here is the box of the A03s. It says that Samsung official product for Pakistan. When you open the box, on the top we get one more mini box. Inside of this box we get a quick start guide, and you can see no silicone case with the A03s. And here is the device, Samsung Galaxy A03s. Now let's start the phone from this box. And guys, and these are the main highlight feature about the A03s. And this phone has a Infinity V display. On the back we have a triple cameras. Also we have a fingerprint scanner on this phone on the side, which is not really available on the previous A02s. And here is the Samsung Galaxy A03s. The blue color looks like. On the back we have a matte finish, although the packet is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get. And then the phone, and the first thing we get a charger. And guys, and this is a 7.8 watt adapter. It does not have any fast charging with the A03s. Also we get a cable, and guys, and this is a USB Type-C cable. So that's a really good thing. We have USB Type-C cable with the A03s. Also we get a SIM injection tool. This phone also has the headphones in the box, so that's a really unique thing on Samsung phones, because the S21 Ultra does not give you a charger as well as the headphones. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. And you can see you can use one microSD card with the 2 nano SIM at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button, which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a 13 megapixel main camera. Also we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. No ultraviolet lens on this phone. On the front we have a 6.5 inch PLS LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate. No higher refresh rate display on this phone. This phone is powered by Mediatek Helio P35 chipset, which is a much better chipset as compared to the Snapdragon 450 inside the A02s. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Samsung Galaxy A03s, and you can see, and here is a new wallpaper of the A03s. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that this phone gave you a 720p PLS LCD display. So the colors looks, I would say, really average on this phone. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the about phone. Now let's see the Android version on this phone, and this phone is running on Android 11, so that's really good thing. Also we have a One UI version 3.1, which is a core version. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size with a 7.8 watt adapter in the box. Now let's go back. Now let's go to the battery and device care. And this phone gave you a 64GB of internal storage out of 15.89GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's see the camera on this phone, and you can see on the phone it is not really fast. On the back we have a triple cameras on this phone. We have 13 megapixel main camera. Also we have a macro and a depth sensor. So here's the camera UI. On the back we also have a portrait mode. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera. The back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. In the mode section we also have a pro mode. We also have a macro mode as well, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality it is really trash on this phone. Now let's see the front camera. On the front we have a 5 megapixel selfie camera, which is, I would say, really good for day-to-day use. Now let's see the front camera video recording size. And the front camera also shoots full HD at 30 fps. On the front we also have a portrait mode, so that's really good thing, which also work really nice as well. So overall I have to say regarding the A03s, and this phone has a more powerful Mediatek Helio P35 chipset, which is again not the fastest chipset in this price range, because in this price range we also have a Mediatek Helio G85 chipset, and you can see uploadware on this phone, and that's a good thing of Samsung One UI. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and this phone also has fingerprint scanner, and you can see which works really good, no issue whatsoever. And this phone also has a 5000 mAh battery size, and the battery life should be really good on this phone. Also we have a 720p display on the front, and guys in this price range we also have a much powerful Mediatek Helio G85 chipset on the Realme C25s. It is really good for day-to-day tasks. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Samsung Galaxy A03s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.